everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, we are running through all of the recipes in the 5-ingredient Renal Diet Cookbook. This book is available on Amazon. I will have a link in my caption if you want to follow along. All of these recipes are kidney and beginner friendly, so let's get into it. We're making Vanica Balsamic Tofu. So for this recipe, you're going to need fresh rosemary, Italian seasoning, and pepper. You're going to need maple syrup, basmati rice, tofu, balsamic vinegar, tamari, extra virgin olive oil. So our first step is going to be taking a 1/4 cup of basmati rice dry and cooking it to the packaging instructions. So I'm going to start that. So while the rice is cooking, I'm going to take a small bowl and we're going to mix together some ingredients. So first we're going to take 1 tablespoon of the balsamic vinegar. And then we're going to take 3/4 teaspoon of tamari. 3/4 teaspoon of maple syrup. Then we're going to take 1/2 teaspoon of fresh rosemary. And 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And we're just going to whisk that together. So that's what it's looking like. Measure out 4 ounces of tofu. We're going to cube it. We're going to put some black pepper on top of it. Now we're going to take 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and we're going to heat that up on a pan. Once that's heated, we'll add the tofu. It's heating the olive oil, so I'm going to add the tofu. And we're just going to cook this until it's golden. I'm just going to reduce the heat. And I'm going to add on the balsamic mixture that we made. Okay, now everything's complete. It looks really tasty, so let's give it a try. That actually tastes really good. There's a lot of flavor. You can taste the rosemary, but it's not like overpowering. I'm not a huge fan of balsamic vinegar, but you can't even tell that it's in there. Overall, I think this is really good. It's a good rendition to like a stir fry kind of. But yeah, I definitely recommend this one. So just a reminder, this is where I got the recipe from. I have a link in my caption. So have a great day. Thanks for watching and see you next time.